actually korumune tamu ya chaka ya 2022 parate yonorena ya even a single kilometer ya bekirwe elami south mukira nataka kwera chinga kichi gachingia nganiri abantu baito bonse bagusiya se babeta Christmas ekia Christmas kyomogoko Christmas kyomochengo abantu baito moragere buya to celebrate yo uko iburwa kwa Yesu Kristo yochete kobolia yesa kukia mwanya bantu na amanyinga yagaiteka asengencho yebibe byetu igo to celebrate na gujenga mono enda tutwara mugoko na baganiye Christmas yekia chinga kichiga kya 2025 ne yaba gusiba ito bonsi asebabeta omwaka omuya o 2026 turna linya saimbu ya mono asengencho yogotokonya korora omwaka oyo omuya na gutambuka omwaka naenda tutwara omwaka omuya prosperous and happy new year 2026.
Nsemo yende sonko nigo aborete omugusyo omugima kobwatisiana komusira omuske Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i aseganga yaye yokorigia kirego kyobura ibense anene muno asobo cyari buri bose yo mwaka 2027 asatebeta nerebiya omugusi kosira omwana oye nabo igo ekiama gya jubiri ekyo Matiang'i arachiko ururukia ebendera yaye
abantu baito bagusi kwa jumla akaeli gaito gatenenire gakoro ku Fred Okengo Matiang'i akaeli yako gaito tigatobe magega yaye abaswahili babatewana mcheza kwao utuzu wono na into Fred rito uchire tigatobe magega ya Fred mchegonde one term aso president Ruto abe one term president Matiang'i yache atokonye narora abantu bakalego confuse one term ya president na one term ende go chansa aba msiembaro batali one term babacha kwa two terms so let's not confuse akatoka ta one term it means one term as a presidential kabara kwa one term go chansa mukwana lakini one term to mukwana yaga ne ya presidential Matiang'i ito ache ene muna soyere Jubilee injo manyene na soyere Jubilee yeah last time I ran on ODM when he gande Jubilee and I'm urging abantu baito bonse pi to soyere Jubilee ne bya mabira affiliated with Jubilee elitakonya umweshimiwa ito
Ritsko rero abaraikurwa ekiama kiragia ODM nigo batarira efamira y'omuyumbe omukoro rugari omuske Cyrus Girongo ereko ba engora kubwatikana no gosira kwa ya Girongo yosire obugima bwaye o wiki yaita kubwatikana no mubasukano mwe para kukwana korwa ensemeyo mo senator we county ya Vihiga oyobo igoro mokonyi bomborai ase kiama kiragia ODM omuske Godfrey Ososi niga kwanira araraira abegete kwigwana na Ruto chinkaki chirabasweta serikali yabo mogose broad based government asabolia baraikuru kiamekyo kwene kyabuna ayongo ikirani ware bunenchira yemo yogotinya ari babegete okwigwana nasemende Ososi nigateba asobo chori bore bosyo omwaka 2027 goika orogongo rwa western robwatanigwe ne kiamekyo erio kwene kyabuna ngogendera bari gosirana asemya keribosyo
ha vijana wanaweza kuwa compensated. We have the power of mercy. Those who are in jail, there is power of mercy. And we have other institutions like Kenya Human Rights Commission. Kwa hivyo, me as Ososi, me as a deputy party leader, I support broad-based, but I also insist the 10 points agenda, which is a legacy of Raila Amolo Odinga. Sisi watu wa ODM. If we really love Raila Odinga, if we really respect him, tafadhali, both of us in ODM and even on the UDA side, when we talk about when we talk about broad-based, let us also remember that we have a people's document with the 10 issues, and me, I will continue talking about that forever until it is done, because I know when it is done, everyone is going to be very happy. Kama chama cha ODM, we are strengthening ourselves. Tumefanya uchaguzi na tunaendelea hivyo. Ikifika 2027 vile baba alisema, we will sit down and agree on how we are moving. We will evaluate and decide how we are moving. Kama itakuwa ni UDA tunaenda nayo, and we have all agreed and we have consulted widely, so be it. Kama tutaamua tunaenda kivyetu because we think we can move alone, so be it. Kwa hivyo we need to have consultation, and all regions that support ODM, including this Luhya region, we must be consulted adequately, because the Luhya supported Raila Odinga because Raila Odinga worked hard to get their respect. Raila Odinga worked hard to get their support, and that support is not easily transferable. Someone has to come and work harder the way Raila Odinga did, engage these Luhyas, become their friends, and he will get their support. Na mimi, I will be there as your son to negotiate for you within ODM. We are going to move together. ODM is one. Hata kama mnaona iko kitu kidogo, ni kwa sababu unajua mti kubwa.
Ensemo yaye omunyakirogo bw'ekiama ekyo gya ODM omoske Gladys Wanga oyibo igore mugavana bwe county ya Homa Bay nigakwanira ekiama gya ODM anemono chinkwana chaye omoseneta Ososi nagoteba nige serikali ya broad base dose serikali yobomo yakorire amagendera mange anemono asorogongoro western egentu kireire arogongoro gutwara abawaziri ase serikali ya bono abawaziri abange osomubaro omonene bwa abawaziri.
Kama mimi singekuwa leo chief guest wa hii function, mimi ndio ningezungumza niite Mheshimiwa Osotsi. Kwa sababu kuna party leader Dr. Oburu Oginga na anayemfuata ni kiongozi deputy party leader Mheshimiwa Godfrey nani? Sasa tumwambie Osotsi atufanyie sisi consultation. Ama namna gani? Mheshimiwa Osotsi, please consult us on the decisions of the party and the direction of the party, because you are the leader and the owner of the party. Ama namna gani hapo jamani? Hivyo ndio tunasonga. Sasa kiongozi wetu ndio atatuongoza, na hapa tuko na Osotsi. Oparanya bado wako ndani ya chama ingawa he is a minister. Tuko hapa na governor wa hapa Kakamega kwa sababu mimi ni governor wa Homa Bay. Lazima ningezungumza na governor wa hapa Kakamega nikija hapa. Anaitwa Mheshimiwa Fernandes Barasa. Na alisema nitume salamu yake. Mmepokea? Mmepokea? Acha nione kwa mkono wale wamepokea salamu ya governor. Asante. Na tuko na pia Edwin Sifuna, Secretary General. Hao ni viongozi wa kitaifa wa chama cha ODM kutoka hapa Magharibi. Na sisi tumewachwa pale ndani ya broad-based government. Tuko pale tunasukuma pale hiyo gurudumu. Na mimi nikiangalia hapa Kakamega, nilikuwa nazungumza na hao viongozi wa Kakamega. Wakaniambia hata hapa Kakamega pale kwa hospitali kuu kuna maendeleo inaendeshwa huko na broad-based government. Ile stadium 1.4 billion iko pale inaendelezwa na broad-based government. Kuna airport pale inaendeshwa na broad-based government. Kuna ile barabara na Malava kwenda Navaholo inaendeshwa na broad-based government. Kuna KMTC hapa imeanzishwa na broad-based government. Kuna ile Shirere National Polytechnic hostels hapo inafanywa na broad-based government. Kwa hivyo kuna ile maendeleo ambayo inafanywa na broad-based government. Na pia sisi unajua hii serikali sisi kama watu wa ODM hatukuipigia kura. Lakini tumeenda pale ndani na tuko na ministers 6. Moja yao akiwa ni Wycliffe Ambetsa Oparanya kutoka hapa Kakamega.
Nkwane yo muske wanga nere gochi gotwekere mwere wekionga chinsa ikomi asenchira yo bwenga mwero morogo boiga bwiritskore Jumapili mwancho murigereri acha autokire chitaika 15 na isato igore chinsa ikomi cha bono morogoba korende ajine gati yari na gochutere achiko gochira asenchira ere yo wekranu chikoraga chinsa ibere na boigo inyecho botko warero nere haruno toto nyangirinje bana botambe ngoro Catherine Nyabuga Vanessa Nyabuke kurasomo na boimanyirio na boigo kuri studio ya Kabere Mike Wisnero kone kabuna chibichechi na boiga Mario ingo ikirare asenchira ere yo bwekirano genda gutwara morogo bo moto eraru ochengere wego kere na boigo bwesemi wetera mirobire era achiko gochira asembe asegika gitari getambe tumbrane ritskore ankyo morogo.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igeko kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering ngwegeli bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na we go Water Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics ngwegeli bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na we go na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering ngwegeli bale Electrical Installation na we go Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology ngwegeli bale Hairdressing we go mbabwate Fashion Design ase Hospitality and Tourism ngwegeli bale Food Production yani cookery na we go Food and Beverage Production.
Asa Maria Tengorogu James Barari Nyakundi, a principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College, eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 was a form 4 bataje universities. Acha te yababere isko ekiagara bone gase Kitutu Masaba ndobwate chikose zichene kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye gubali chiloni cyogo soma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri tutokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia ko menye school urendagera na gwakane se nyumba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye gubali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo naba bunge kuna bono mubungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiringa mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba wekagwe bursary in full inta abana baito January intake negendereta abana bali bakoso school January mwakaribishwe ndogendereta na intake na application sinchigendereta
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga ose obakirisi migwetara sinamba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya chirin kuma asogo kwa obokoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate event chi roadshow chinyange amatanga chi anniversary na yanda mangam na wano photography videography live stream na coverage na yande amange kurubare obokoreri ase chi tent ebirogo decoration lighting chi carpet na sound batarere ase ekoroba ya Ouru Towers somo chobosongo angena AM Taylor samange ba kresimia sinamba 0721 21 781